Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to another video of Mr-Zalan, and today I'm in a farm which is goat farm, and I want to show you. I'm a little bit surprised. I seen my whole life for the first time like this. Yeah, like other countries also have like this in like English countries, other Europe, Western. So we are in Indonesia and I'm very rarely see these goats. So now we are in the farm. So annoying. And let me give you guys a tour how they take care in here. They are really take caring of these gods and very well managed and very in very good condition. So let me give you a tour, guys. These are with family, like with the babies, mother and the babies, which is for milk production. Hi, have a good day. I don't know, this one is so annoying. And these, look at this, mashallah, mashallah. This is the beach road. तरीका बहुत साफ है इन लोगों का. ऊपर छत से सिस्टम बहुत अच्छा है और ये सफाई भी, इसका सफाई का ख्याल भी रखता है. This one. This one is for look at it. No, this place is so big. और ये जो है ये फारिग है, इसका कोई भी नहीं है. यार ये बता गोर न उजा. सब भी लगे. ये इनका अदर सिस्टर यहाँ पर भी है. काफ़ी बड़ा मीडियम साइज फार्म है इन लोगों का. अरे इनका खाना पीना सिस्टम इनका साफ है. तरफ भी है. बाहर भी उनका नया सिस्टम बनाया है, हम लोग के लिए जगह है. दाव pakai apa ना. Ya dulu dah khorak, dah khorak kata lagi. Which one is best luck to get a chance?
This is the male one, but the male one, the male one.
Wow, mashallah, this one is so big. These are the babies.
You want to buy like this one, right?
Oh, they are
They're scared.
family. They look so clean.
Yes, of course. They're really clean, but in here, they're taking care of them really well.
Yeah. They both are fighting. Hey. Look at this. He's coming out. These are the small babies. If you want to buy the babies, you will get underweighted. Cute. That is so cute.
Sekali lahir 2, 3.
Iya. So guys, there's the farm. Nice area, beautiful.